Hey, hello. My name is Charles. I am with Warley Digital. That's me over there. We're a Philadelphia-based digital marketing agency specializing in website design, SEO, and social media management. The reason I'm shooting this video is because I found your job post here, and I wanted to show you a sample of a job post, a template job post a template website for web design businesses, an agency site that I have. A Here we go. Let me pull it up. This is just the template. If you were gonna go with me, this is what I would do. I use this template, this platform called Snaps, and it's great. It's a beautiful template. I'd advise you to check it out. Um, However, this is the kind of site I would envision for you guys. I know you gave me a few competitors, and let me pull them up right now. Where did I save them? Here they are. Okay, yes. Here you are, Evieloutions design. You have a great. I like your text, your fonts that you use. But it's a little bit hard to read the small, um, the light text over the white background. But anyway, I see what you're looking for, and then your competitors were here. So I get you wanted the content, the copy, to be similar to what they have, and that's what we can do. But I just wanted to show you the flow of how, I mean, I can change all these colors if you want. I don't know if you want to redesign your whole site, because that's possible with us. You'll have a pretty good looking About Us team page. It's just your standard website with project pages, contact details, etc. I just wanted to show you because I think that this template looks pretty nice. It's kind of impressive, but I don't know if this is what you're looking for. What I would be doing is obviously adding a lot of SEO optimized text along here. Google optimizes for about 1,000 to 1,500 words of text on your front page showing what you do, who you are, your locations you service, and also it's important to saturate that text with keywords. The keywords whoever your clients, whatever your clients would be typing into Google to look for you. So it's important to have that as well. Just finally, I want to keep this short. Just want to show you what it looks like on a tablet with the menu pages, etc., and on a mobile phone. So if you are into redesigning your website to look something like this, I already have this template. It wouldn't take that long to just search a few things and have your branding on it. If you only want copy for your front page, that's okay. I also specialize in that. If you can tell me a little bit more about where you service, about your location, what makes you guys an authority? Why would Google find you relevant to be upfront on searches? Then I'll be able to optimize that a lot better for you. Thank you very much. Once again, my name is Charles, and with Warley Digital, please feel free to contact me. Where's my email address? Here, info@warleydigital.com, and here's my phone number as well. Thanks a lot.